How to fix popmart app not loading. In order for you to fix this issue, the very first thing you want to try doing is move into the app store of your device. Once you're in here, in the source bar, search for popmart. Move into this app. Right here, instead of open, if you see the option of update, then your application is not up to date, and it might be one of the reasons that you're facing this issue. In this case, simply click on update and update your app. Once you've got the updated version, now the next thing you want to try doing is move into the settings of a device. Head over to General and then move into iPhone storage. In this page, search for the application popmart and then click on it. Now tap on Offload App and then once again click on Offload App. It will clear the cache and the storage of the application. It will also remove all of the unwanted bugs and make your application run smoothly. This might also fix the issue that you have been facing, and then you'll be good to go. So that's the wrap for this video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.